Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go over, I need to click this on something. Okay, just ignore it if it's there. You'll be able to hear my voice better. Okay, so today was amazing. Not even today, like all of July has just been giving. It's just been giving great returns. It's been giving just great everything. So here's our momentum grid that we love here. So once you see this, everything is pretty much green. This will let me know that we're probably in an uptrend today. So I want to put this here. Okay, let's go here. So I was watching Walmart today, which, yeah, with Walmart, it's not doing good. So I did one really good trade today that I knew this was going to happen. I knew it was going to hit 496. I had drew it out. Here's actually my line here, this little white line. So basically, I was able to get in, let me see what time. Yeah, I was like in a meeting when this happened, like around 9:30ish, like right here, I got in. And then I rode this candle down. So I got in right here and then I rode this candle down and then I sold once this one started forming because I knew we were going to go right back up. And I would have, since I got in right there, I probably would have like been in a negative and then I would have had to wait all the way. So I don't think that's a good plan. I think you get in and get out as soon as you can when you're scalping and kind of day trading. What I like to do is I like to wait for my clear entry point and I need that clear confirmation. I knew it was going to rise back up before it went back down because this was actually making a wedge to the downtrend. So I actually knew that we were going to hit 196 when we were like over here. I was like, you know what? This is going to go back down. And that's what's happening here. QQQ is legitimately just declining as we speak. And so this is definitely something that I was so happy about today because I got to put, obviously, why not? Because remember, we make money whether the market goes up or down. And a quote that I heard yesterday by one of my favorite analysts is, we don't predict the market. We just react to it. That just brought me home because understanding how the market moves is like impossible because it's all algorithms and you'll never really know. So it's good to plan for the upside and the downside. So today I'm super happy. We had some news. Powell says labor markets are strong, not overheated, but it looks like we're actually hoping on rate cuts. So this is good for everyone that's trying to buy a house, you want to buy a car. Interest rates might be cutting soon. And we have seen micro incremental rate cuts, but nothing too major, which is why the market has been kind of on an uptrend lately, right? So here is that. What else did I watch today? I didn't really. So will this even be a July video without me showing you Tesla? My God, look at Tesla. Oh my God, look at how, and we're only on the 5-minute chart, okay? If I was to go on the 4-hour, look at this. This is what we like. This is what we like to see. We just love to see this rise. Alone today, Tesla's up $11. My call options, thank you, Elon. They really do. Big day for Tesla. July 23rd, big day for Tesla. We also have earnings, I believe, coming up. Well, July 23rd is the earnings. And then we have August, Robotaxi rollout. Those are going to be really, really big. So Tesla has been so bumpy. So we had all the hedge funds and all the investors that were really shorting Tesla. Tesla was like 140 in April. So for those of you that bought Tesla at 140, congratulations. I'm sure you're eating a lot today. So yeah, I think that Tesla is just a great example of what I wish all these stocks would do. Even Robinhood, you know, I'm a huge Robinhood fan. Robinhood holds a significant percent of my portfolio and it's really been giving. Apple's been giving as well. So on the 4-hour chart, as you can see, Tesla is really on a rise. We might get a little push down to about maybe 260, 259, but I'm going to I definitely think we're going to see a good 275, 300. If we go back on the 5-minute chart for today, you will see that, yeah, like we've just been really on an uptrend. We can make our Fibonacci to see, but we're making really high highs, right? So like we are just overall on an uptrend. So I'm super excited to see what's going to happen with Tesla. So yeah, overall, I just made my trend line for Tesla. So I am assuming that I definitely think by end of week we'll be at 266, 267, because we're already at 264 today. So of course. Anyway, so Tesla's looking really good. Robinhood is good. And of course, my baby, NVIDIA. Of course, NVIDIA is doing good. Here's NVIDIA. NVIDIA has really been rocky. It was in a consolidation period. And now you see how there's this long dip. Guarantee will be at 134.93, 135 pretty soon. So the NVIDIA calls, also a great option. So yeah, I think the market was really good today. I had one win and I had 2 losses, but the win was significant and the losses were really low because of what we like to call stop loss. Okay, we do not. Another quote that I learned is you never go broke trying to bring in profits. If the market's not doing what you want it to do, it will never reverse. And guess what? It's not my job to wait for it. It's my job to react to it. So yeah, today was great. Stay tuned for more. Have a good day.